Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I am Yulia Isratul Aini. You can call me Yulia. I am an instructional designer of LPMP Provinsi Bengkulu. My presentation today is entitled Making and Using Learning Media of Canva-based Digital Comic for Teaching and Learning English. Okay, let's start. This presentation was to describe the making process and using Canva-based digital comic constructed for teaching and learning English. The Canva-based comic digital was developed by using Canva application. Have you ever heard about the Canva application? The description was focused on describing the introduction of Canva application, the process of making the Canva-based digital comic, and the description of how to use the Canva-based digital comic for teaching and learning English. Okay, let's start with Canva-based digital comic. Have you ever heard about this application? Yeah, this is online application that can very potential if you can create many things such as infographics, photo collage and wallpaper, desktop diagrams, book cover, mind mapping, and so many. One of them you can create digital comic. Okay, how can we work with Canva? To make a Canva-based digital comic, first you should have account. You can make account. First, you can visit the site, and then I will tell you later about how to make it Canva account. And after you have account, you can choose a comic feature. You can one of the feature is making comic, and then you can create a comic media. Making a Canva account. In making Canva account, first you should visit the site of canva.com, and then you can click on sign up. You fulfill the registration form. You write your data there, and then you submit. Continue it till your account is ready to use. If you have account already, you can choose sign and enter the home of the Canva. Okay, let's see about making comic comic in comic picture of Canva. Yes, you visit Canva site, you sign in to the home of Canva, and then you choose comic picture. If you have already get the template that you are going to use, sit on your learning goal, of course. You can choose characters that suit on the storyline you have written before. You can write text, and also making audio. You can record directly or you can record indirectly, and then you put the dialogue, the audio of the dialogue. You can embed it into the comics you have already make. After finishing your comic media, you can save the comic, and you also can publish the comic in your virtual classroom. You can share in your social media group or whatever the way you can publish it in it, to your student and to your group of learning. The second point is about how to use Canva in learning and teaching and learning language. Yeah, you can use in Canva-based digital comic in English skills such as learning for reading, writing, speaking, and listening. It helps you to improve. It also helps to improve the knowledge, the language knowledge, such as in grammar, vocabulary, punctuation, and pronunciation. Okay, let's see the detail. Canva digital comic for reading. You can use in scanning and skimming. Your student or your group of learning, you can scan to find idea about what the story of the comic, and then you can see in detail by skimming what is the detailed information that you can see in the comics, and in the Canva based digital comic. For writing, yeah, you can writing dialogues, or you can also make your student writing dialogues based on their ideas. Here they can express their ideas. Next, using the best digital comic for listening, because you are using the audio. You can using a dialogue expression in audio to for learning listening to improve your listening skill. Next, Canva base is for speaking. Yes, practicing dialogue is one alternative for using this Canva based digital comic. Okay, you can use Canva based digital comic for improving the knowledge of vocabulary, grammar, punctuation, and pronunciation that cover the writing, speaking, listening, and reading skills. Okay, that's it about create Canva-based digital comics. I hope you and your student can create one example of digital comic and you can use in learning in teaching and learning language. Okay, see you in another chance. Thank you.